Yo, 4x40 right there.
Will it go down? How low does it go to? 1 watt?
Let me see what the wheel's going on. Watt. About 45. 10 watt to 45.
What is all the way down? What is it?
Watt and a half. All the way down. Let it all turn around. Watt and a half. About 33.
Okay, 1.5 watts, 10.4. Oh wow, that's the stock mic.
You see how the audio clear up? That's 10 watt about 42 right there with this stock mic.
Yeah, try to put your D104.
Yeah, I'll put that D104 on here. I'll keep that car bigger down. And I'll pour that smoke clean out of that pipe.
Yeah, you have to turn the mic gain down probably.
They're badass, man, I'm telling you. These radios are bad to the bone. Lordy, lordy, lordy. That mic gain's just pinched on right there.
Yeah, it's got more clarity with that mic.
Yes, I just use that black mic to goof off. But yeah, this here, that's 10 watt. Well, stock mic drives it better.
Well, you got the mic gain turned down.
Yeah, Roger D. Here it is right here, no doubt about it. Man, that car bigger's on about 42 right there. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. 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 Smoking. 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 Smoking.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's smoking. Blowing, 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 blowing. Alright. I'm back quiet. There's that DAC for you.
Shut yourself, man. I got all these haters out here, man, that be calling me all kind of names today, and the good gracious of life, it ain't a good day for that.
Yeah, let me hear it with the echo shut off.
I tell now. How do you check? 1, 2? Oh, buckaroo. That's 9 watt D key with that echo off. Mic gain sitting at 8. I'm going to turn that down. RF carrier down. I'll go back to a 20 watt scale. Just pegging it on the audio. There's a 1.5 watts. Wow, man, that car bigger sound better than these radios in this old shack over here. Lordy, lordy, lordy. 1.5, swinging about 33.
Yeah, I turned my RF gain down and it dropped your signal back, and then now I can see the needle driving forward with your audio and that radio.
Yeah, it's nice, man. It's a nice piece of equipment. I mean, you gotta enjoy what it is, because if you don't enjoy the radio, there ain't no sense in having this radio, because all they do is sit in the closet.
Well, wait till you hear this, Dak. You might not want to sell it, but yeah, it's probably the first time you ever heard it. You're gonna hear it now. Man, wait till you hear this thing.
Oh, I hear it. I hear this thing, man. I had 3 of these. I had 2 of these, and I had one with a 1,000 watt linear built in.
That's what I was telling him. That's one that was 1,700.
Yep, 1,700. But this rascal right here, he gets it. This radio right here would sound awesome, man, with a turn 3 on it.
Yeah, you give it more bass, but I don't know. That's a good matchup there with that D104.
Man, it's got that clunk when it keys down too.
Yeah, now you mentioned I can hear it. Well, I got my squelch up too.
I got the headphones on just to set that echo, but yeah, it's a nice radio. I just don't know, man. It's just big and bulky, you know, for what it is. It's like a masterpiece. If you got a nice radio station, you sit that in there on that shelf, man. People walked in there numerous times and said, "What in the world's that?" I said, "That's my CB." He said, "CB?" Then they find out what radio's in there, and they said, "What the hell you need all that big box for that little radio?"
Yeah, I don't have no room for that big box, but it sure is pretty.
I want a black one. I had the white ones, and I had that trim with the black face. I want a DAC with the black face with the silver lettering. Man, that's going to be nice.
Yeah, this guy actually built one just like exactly what you're talking about, and it does look really sweet. And he's got blue in it, and the blue meters, and the black, and the silver. It's a sharp combo. But to me, it looks, you know, similar to the big black radios, like a Connex CTX 33, or, you know what I mean?
You can get these in red and blue now too, but I think the red and blue just looks horrible. No, unless you're queer.
That red Saturn WX looks sharp.
No, I'm talking about the red face. The red face.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't like that red face. It didn't look good. And that blue looked, I don't know, a blue radio, blue lights, and blue meters, it was just too much, you know. The way he did these, boy, he broke it straight down to the T. These radios could be in the showcase.
Yeah, they want to see it, but inside, but that's too many screws. But the inside is painted too, huh? On the face is white.
Yeah, I'm not taking the screws out, but for all that, I'll keep it, man. Yeah, because I might take one of them screws out of that thing and end up chipping that paint. I ain't gonna go through all that.
No. Man, that's a beautiful radio.
But he can pull the bottom off of it and look in the bottom and see how neat it is. It's not like a 773 Minshire hack radio. Just put it that way. This car bigger. He knew what he's doing. He built numerous ones of these. And matter of fact.